I don't ever want to do this again. So my hood broke, the cable or whatever, I thought it was the cable. And then you can see in there's a bolt, and then over on the other side, another bolt. And that's what holds the latch into place. And I had to take those two off, reaching through my grill, and I broke my grill a little bit. A couple places, broke the plastic, not too worried about it, to get those two guys off. Had to use multiple U-joints, multiple extensions and adapters, and it was a lot of pain, and it wasn't fun, and it's really cold. So basically what it comes down to is that little guy right there. And I'm sorry I can't show you, I can't put my flashlight in my mouth because it'll freeze in my mouth. And so, yep, that's your cable that comes in through there. And that little guy sits somewhere up in there. And somehow he slipped out through that thing. And I don't know how or why, but I'm going to make sure that when I put it back together, that's not going to happen, because I don't ever want to do this again. Except now my grill's broken, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, just for reference, it appears like it didn't actually slip through that little slot right there, but it actually went through. It just, over time and use, this gap got wider until the thing can just slip straight through it instead of going through that gap. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to make this bigger and then maybe seal that off. That yellow there is your lever that you use to pull up after it's been popped up. Of course, that slot right there is what the deal goes down into.